Holy this freaking dude came rolling down the hill. Good morning. It's 8 something in the morning and it's already 80 degrees outside and I'm off to the woods. Gonna go meet up with Matt and Stacy from Swamp Rat Off-Road Adventures and go drive through the woods and then I'm gonna go camp somewhere. And it's gonna be like 90 degrees today, so hot weather camping. Let's see how this goes.
At the next light, turn left.
Okay, well, it wouldn't be a trip without
At the
stopping
light, turn left onto Fairgrove Church Road Southeast.
at some sort of gas station. And since I'm even further from Buc-ee's, we'll be going to my other favorite, the OG, Sheetz. Alright, looks like we're at the first official stop where we're going to meet up with everybody. Well, I think this is the right spot. They should be here in like 10 minutes, so hopefully it's the right spot and we'll get going from there. Well, it looks like this is the right spot. I don't know if you can see them, but I think they're right down there. Alright, we're on the way. So when I last left you guys, Matt and everybody was pulling in. Well, when Matt pulls in, first thing he says, I just got rear-ended while they were sitting down at the light and I was trying to grab a video of them showing you guys where they were at. 4Runner hit Matt in the back, so great start to the trip. Ended up waiting for a trooper to come out and handle it. Didn't take long. And now we're on the way. And these are some really windy roads already. So is filming and driving probably the safest thing to do? No, probably not. But outdoor content creator, sometimes you got to do what you got to do. We'll see what we get into. Yeah, I'm going to pay attention to the road for a little bit and update you guys in a little bit. Alright, we are off the pavement and onto the gravel. Got 4 of us today. I don't know if I said that yet. But yeah, we're up in the Pisgah National Forest. Lots of forest roads up here. Really beautiful area. And got the crew up there in front of me. They will be heading out sometime today. But my plan is to stay up here and camp somewhere after they take off. Not sure where yet, kind of depends on where we end up.
So, to give everybody a good little laugh, we were originally going to start on NC 105. Well, my nerves been a little tore up with everything going on. We're actually doing the planned route, we're just doing it in reverse. Sounds good.
So there you go, that's the plan. If we end up on 105, I'm not sure if I'm gonna camp up there or not. that place gets super busy, especially on weekends. So if you're not up there early to grab a spot, you may not get one. So just have to see how it goes and see what it's looking like. If I find a spot on 105 when we're leaving there, I'll probably just pull off and take it and say goodbye to everyone. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. Little camp spot right over there, right by the creek. Nice little camp spot up there. So, fun fact, this road, Google says the speed limit is 55 miles per hour. I don't think that's happening. I think the highest I've gotten up to is like maybe 15. Yeah, I'd kind of like to see it. If you can do 55 on this road, let me know, because I want to videotape it. Oh, restroom's over there. Careful though, it'll clog on you. Okay, so camping is starting to sound like a really bad idea because these bugs are already terrible. So glad I kept this in here. Hopefully that'll help. Come on. Really? This is why we don't take things out. Definitely keeping this close by for a while. Alright, so now we're on Maple Sally, which is a road I've been on before. I can't remember if this is the one I camped on last time I came up here, if that was another one. But either way, it looks a lot different when it's 90 degrees and not raining in August. Learned two very important lessons already today. If you're going to cover yourself in bug spray and then eat cheese poofs, wash your hands, because that stuff doesn't taste good. And also, you're going to cover yourself in bug spray and then your eyeball itches and you scratch it, wash your hands first. It stings a little bit. You guys come here for the off-roading, the camping, but you're also getting very important life lessons. So those are free. Just a little extra gift from me to you. So let's have real talk for a minute. I haven't done anything on this channel for quite some time, and I don't know why. This is the stuff that I love, getting out, exploring, hanging out with cool people, or by myself, but today's the cool people version of that. And I tried to use every excuse in my head to get out of doing this today. Oh, I didn't sleep good. Oh, my belly's upset. Oh, gas is expensive. But even with the 2 or 3 maybe hours of sleep that I got, I still got my stuff together and I came out here. And so far I'm having a great time. So maybe this was the kickstart that I needed to get back into this and have some fun. I still don't know if I'm camping tonight, because if those bugs are anything like they were just a few minutes ago, yeah, it's not going to be fun. But that's a future John problem, as I like to call it. So I'm also kind of sleepy.
This right here is about the only spot on Maple Salad you get a really good view.
Apparently this is the only spot where you get a really good view. So I'll let you guys see what that looks like. That's not the really good view. That's just the Jeeps in front of me. Oh yeah, there it is. That view was definitely not there the last time I came. It was raining, overcast, and no views like that. So glad I got to see it this time. So yeah, I got my stuff together. I came out. I'm having fun, and hopefully it's the kickstart I needed to keep doing it. If people watch or not, it doesn't matter. I'm still gonna put this stuff out there. So if you are watching, thank you. I really appreciate it. If you're not, then you're probably never gonna see this. So holy shit. This freaking dude came rolling down the hill. He was putting that 55-mile-an-hour speed limit to good use.
Yes, he was.
So yeah, anyway, if you guys don't watch this, then it really doesn't matter that I'm talking to you right now. But if you are, like I said, I really appreciate it. I'm gonna keep...
Another good view right there if anybody wants pictures.
Matt, I'm trying to talk here, man. Come on. But I'll let you guys see the view. There's your money shot right there. So yeah, I'm gonna keep making videos, keep putting them out. Gives me something to do. I actually like editing. It's fun. So I'll catch up with you guys in a bit.
I know you wanna take it all too far. Stumble through the dark, trip into the stars. I know you want the dreams to come to life. I know just what you like, don't be surprised. I can read your mind. Yeah, I can read your mind. I know what you like, 'cause I like it too. You don't gotta say what you wanna do, 'cause I can read your mind. Yeah, I can read your mind. I can read your mind. I can read your mind. I know that you don't like to be alone. You need someone to hold. It's what you need the most. I know you've waited for a night like this, one that you won't forget. You're thinking yes, I can read your mind. Yeah, I can read your mind. I know what you like, 'cause I like it too. You don't gotta say what you wanna do, 'cause I can read your mind. Yeah, I can read your mind. I can read your mind. I can
So I've been camping in this Jeep for a year and a half now. And when I would pull into a place, I would go to my off-road pages and my pitch and roll and make sure I'm level enough for camping. Well, the problem is there's a lot of reversing, driving, and when you're reversing, obviously you can't see your pitch and roll. And then I realized I can see it on my dash. I'm really good at paying attention, guys. Alright, so I found a campsite, but we're gonna need more of this. So here's my view. One of the best views I've had here personally. Got plenty of logs around. Somebody was just here not too long ago and they didn't put their fire all the way out. And where I ended up parking. It's not too far off the road, but it'll do. Jeep road. And I got to put my traction boards to use, trying to get the rear end of this thing level. Little puddle on the way out. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my tent open and let it air out and then see what happens. Well, it's set up, and apparently I filled up my memory card, so don't know how much of that I filmed. So since my memory card was full, just taking this time to offload some videos and take in the view. Also, I haven't touched this fire since I got here, and I don't know if you can see the smoke coming off of it. But whoever was here before did not put their fire out. Come on, people. We gotta do better than that. Here we are. The view. Got the fire going. And all that's left is to knock my water onto my laptop. And now just enjoy the rest of the night. And also eat something because I didn't have lunch today. I'm hungry. Hey guys, so it's like 3 in the morning. And that's part of the problem with working night shift is I'm awake. It's 3 in the morning. I just had a nice little dinner of SpaghettiOs and knock-off tortilla chips. Figured I'd take some time to work on some nighttime photography stuff. So we've kind of been messing with that, and I'm going to give you my initial review of the tent so far. I really like it. I don't feel cramped in it. It's pretty roomy. The mattress, it's not terrible. I'm not uncomfortable. Could it use like a topper? Yeah. I'll probably be getting one. My really biggest hang up with it is that my sheet won't stay on. But it's a weird size mattress. It's a queen size sheet. At the end of the day, it's not a big deal. So it's got a cover over the mattress. It's not like the mattress in my body armor tent that didn't have a cover, so yeah, it's really not bad. I put some lights in, which you can kind of see right there. They're RGB light. They're lights made for going behind your TV, and all different kinds of colors and all that crap. Really like it. It was a super simple addition. Really glad I did it. It's like 66 degrees out here and it feels phenomenal. Much welcome break from the 94 degrees back at home. The wind's picked up a little bit. It's not supposed to rain, and also it's 3 in the morning, so I'm gonna probably take some more photos, just see what I can come up with, and either go back to sleep or pretend like I'm going to sleep, lay in the tent, watch a movie, try to catch the sunrise, and then go home. So I'll catch you later.